Here I have VIVO V9 Pro, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, find and select settings. From the list of settings, we need to scroll down, and here let's find and select more settings. Here let's choose applications, let's tap all. Here you can tap reset app preferences. So let me do it. This operation will reset all the following preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default apps for this operation, background data restriction for apps, and any allow restrictions. So all you need to do right now is choose reset apps, and that's it. You just accomplished that operation. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.